Our Santa Cruz is very close to my heart. It was the first project that our California studio took all the way from sketch to tooling. It's one of the boldest models in our lineup, a testament to Hyundai's commitment to innovation, versatility, and style. We originally designed Santa Cruz to thrive in the urban environment while always encouraging an escape to the outdoors. When we got the chance to refresh the design, we wanted to take this spirit one step further. Where the original Santa Cruz face was sleek and refined, the new design is bold and robust. The vertical architecture of the fascia is the foundation for creating this more rugged appearance. The rectangular grille features larger air intakes and larger daytime running lights. The powerful and technical shapes of the lower fascia establish a wide stance while completing the planted aesthetic. The vehicle featured here is the Santa Cruz XRT. XRT raises the bar for adventure with uniquely designed front and rear fascia that provide both greater outdoor capability and a more rugged, protected appearance. With XRT, we've increased the approach angle for improved off-road performance. The rear bumper is now taller and beefier at the corners to provide more protection. This increased protection matches the door and fender cladding. The coral red front tow hooks add a cool look, but most importantly, additional capability. And to get you out there and back, XRT now features all-terrain tires and unique wrench-inspired alloy wheels. Inside the 2025 Santa Cruz, you'll discover many of the technology, design, and ergonomic advances found in the new Tucson. Small changes that make a big difference. The new interior provides a modern command center for your adventure. And yes, we've brought back knobs and switches in Santa Cruz too. Santa Cruz also gets most of the advanced safety features found in the new Tucson. With this new design, we've brought more attitude to Santa Cruz with rugged styling and a more distinctive and capable XRT variant. That's the 2025 Santa Cruz, our sport adventure vehicle. Ready for more. Now let's hear once again from Jose.
Thank you, BC and Brad. With our 2025 Tucson and Santa Cruz, we're giving people new ways to adventure smarter with next-level technology, advanced safety, and distinctive design. Importantly, our Tucson is offered with a choice of internal combustion, hybrid, or plug-in powertrains, all available at various price points to provide an accessible step towards electrification. The 2025 models will begin arriving in Hyundai dealerships in time for summer and fall adventures. I'm also pleased to tell you that all of our Santa Cruz models will continue to be assembled at our manufacturing facility in Alabama, alongside the gasoline-powered Tucson models. Speaking of U.S. manufacturing, we are starting an exciting new chapter with our Meta plant now nearing completion in Bryan County, Georgia. This manufacturing complex, which will begin EV assembly later this year, is part of our $12.6 billion investment in Georgia. At full capacity, the Meta plant will employ more than 8,500 people with high-quality manufacturing jobs focused on building a sustainable future. This is what we mean by progress for humanity. To find out more about the new Tucson, Santa Cruz, and other Hyundai models, please visit Hyundai.com. Thank you for joining us.